हाँ
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, we've done types of advertisements. One was situation wanted and
We have not done.
Ma'am, we have not started advertisements.
Ma'am,
Okay,
have done
then we start.
letter or change.
Acha, you were doing letters. Sorry. Wait, hold on. Which letters have you done?
And notice for change.
Ma'am, notice, sir.
Notice we've done
also.
all 6 types of notice we have done now.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written all the 6 type of notices yet or not?
Ma'am,
Yes.
written.
Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You've already written 6 type of notices. Then we had moved on to letters. Have you written any letters?
Yes, ma'am, we wrote the letters before
Yes,
the
ma'am.
notice one.
Letters placing orders.
Yes, ma'am,
Inquiry.
done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, we have done. Letter to the
Yes,
editor.
ma'am.
Cancellation.
And to the editor also.
Okay. Letters regarding placing orders, cancellation, inquiry, and complaint. All 4 letters are done.
No, ma'am, we have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
only 2 letters. Ma'am, we have done only 2 letters.
Which 2 have you done, beta?
Ma'am, letter placing
I'm
order
placing order
and...
and letter to the editor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We'll finish off letter writing so that we can, after this, move on to the grammar section. Beta, see, in business letters, we have 4 types of letters. Letters placing orders, letters for inquiry, letters for complaint, and letters for cancellation. There are 4 kinds of letters.
We
2
have
you're
done
saying you have.
for letter of complaint also.
Letter of inquiry we have not done. So I'm going to discuss with you inquiry letter today. Inquiry, what does the word inquiry mean?
Ma'am, to ask something about the product.
Very good. To find out more details about something. Very good. Beta, please see one thing. All of you read this very soon. Hurry up, please. Abhimila.
The subject is in the middle.
Beta, there are some mistakes in what I posted. I'll be discussing it with you. Rather, you will only be able to tell me what all it is. Okay, as of now, just read. Okay, let's read it once. I'm going to scroll down very quickly and you see. Beta, read the question. Tell me for what are we doing the inquiry? We want inquiry of what? Inquiry
Ma'am,
for
about
what?
package tour.
The facilities.
Facilities that are available.
Yes, beta, it's a
And what
package.
facilities are traveling agencies giving?
Yes, beta, the package is about what and for what?
Ma'am, for a tour of a school to Kullu Manali and Rohtang Pass.
Yes, beta. Yes, Pache. Let's do it now. I'm going to scroll down. We are going for a trip. You remember our school also had gone for a trip. Where did we go?
Ma'am, Jim Corbett.
Jim Corbett.
Yes. How
Corbett.
many of you went? How many of you went? Overnight trip. Fun, na? I mean, I really enjoyed it. It was really fun. Did you people enjoy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You did
Yes.
not?
Ma'am, we enjoyed.
It was fun. I really enjoyed it with the children. You know, a different kind of feeling when you move out of the school premises. We become more friendly with the students. Okay, tell me, where are these people going on a trip? Read quickly. Are they going?
No,
They're
ma'am.
not going to Corbett. Then where are these people going? Where-
Kullu Manali.
Kullu
Ma'am,
Manali.
from Lucknow to Kullu
Kullu
and then
Manali.
to
Okay, for summers,
Rohtang Pass.
yes, for summers it is an appropriate place. So they're going to Kullu Manali. Very nice. Okay, one by one, let us discuss the details that
Kind of facilities.
what does this mean? Tell me, what does this mean? The first point, kind of accommodation.
Ma'am, the stay where
Very good. 5 star, a 3 star, or whatever. Second point, beta, arrangement of meal.
ma'am arrangement of meals.
Yes, what does this mean? Arrangement of meal.
Ma'am, they are inquiring whether they will give it included in the package or they have to pay extra. And if it is included, so what will be the timing of this and whatever they will give to eat them?
Exactly. They'll be asking whether it's included or not, and then the menu, all these things would be asked in case it is included. Very, very nice. Bahut achhe, very nice. Yes, beta. What is the third point?
Mode of traveling.
What does this mean?
Ma'am, they are inquiring whether they will provide a bus or they have to go by themselves.
Yes.
Yes. Whether will be providing the transport or we'll have to arrange. And in case they are providing, then will it be an air conditioned bus? How many seater bus? Move on to the next point. Yes,
Sightseeing.
provision of
Ma'am,
sightseeing.
provision
What
of
does
sightseeing means where they will take them to see all the places which are popular over there, and whether they will take them or not, or they have to go by themselves.
very good. Provision means do they have an arrangement? Will they be doing it? Or we'll have to arrange for our own self. Okay, that is what they're asking. Children, move to the next point, elaborate.
Any other facilities?
What does this mean?
And if they are giving any extra facility other than that, so whatever they are giving, they are inquiring about that.
Very good, very good, very, very nice. Okay, let's move on to the last point.
Cost of the package.
Cost of the package.
The most important thing that is cost of the package. Now tell me one thing very quickly. Have they missed out some things? You plan your trip in your mind. What all points are coming to your mind? Accordingly, tell me, have they missed out some points which you want to have inquiry about?
Ma'am,
Yes, we can include
If
timings.
the trip is of how many days?
Yes, but anything else we can think of? Okay, let's do one. You want to go to Disneyland or you want NASA? Yeah, Disneyland or NASA?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. Everybody is in favor of Disneyland only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nobody wants to go to NASA? Only one child would go to NASA all alone. How will she get bulk discounts?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, there are many things that they have missed out. Let me see if you can give me those things, important things. Now, supposing plan your school, your classmates have all planned, and the school is going to take you to a trip to NASA. So, how would you write this letter? What all details would you ask for? I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Please plan. Then let's start this. Think all things. We should not miss out on any. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, bitches. Ready? Ready with your plan of action?
yes, ma'am.
Should we speak? Chalice, start speaking. And one by one, whatever points have come to your mind, start speaking. Remember, it's an international trip.
Ma'am, first of all, we will ask about the visa and when till what time it will come, and about the ticket and about the flight in which we are going, whether it will provide us the meal or not. And ma'am, the visa will be valid for how many days? And from the accommodation, the food they will give, the places where they will take us. And ma'am, I will also ask about the discounts which they will give us.
Has he missed out anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what he has missed out.
Ma'am, place of residence.
No slides.
Okay, kind of accommodation. That is what he's asking. Kind of accommodation. Okay. What else, children? Discounts. We can talk about which kind of discounts, Peter. Why will he give you discounts? Reason for discounts?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Oh.
if we select our ma'am, if we select wherever we want to go before like 3 to 4 months, so they gave us huge discounts on tickets.
Okay, we can ask for advanced discounts, we can ask for bulk discounts, we can ask for students discounts. There are so many discounts which you people can avail, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It could be a bulk discount also because many people are going now. We can ask for bulk discounts also. Okay, tell me now. Who else? Who will speak? What happened, bache? I don't know people speak at all. I wonder why you don't speak. Such a less participation is there of you people. Most of you. Very, very few people take the initiative of speaking. Okay, beta, how will you close such a letter? Speak out. Speak. What will be the closing of such a letter?
Ma'am,
Provide us the
by asking the company to reply soon.
How will you ask? Frame the sentence. Very good. Right going. Frame the sentence. Frame a sentence and ask them that please reply us promptly. And according to your reply, we will plan our trip. How will you write this?
Ma'am, we will write like this. Please clear all the queries regarding these points in details, and we hope for a positive and early reply.
Excellent vocabulary used. Anyone else with any other way of speaking, writing this? Very nicely planned. Anyone else? Arey beta, hardly 1 or 2 students I get a response. Aise kaise it's going to work out. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
can we say looking for a speedy response?
Yes, Vita, you can say this, looking for a speedy response. You can say awaiting a prompt response. Or you could say anticipating a prompt response. Okay? Anticipating a prompt response. We could simply say, please furnish the above information. Okay? Anticipating a prompt response. Fine? This is what we can say. And how would you start the letter? Supposing you're from SI International School and you plan to go to Disneyland, how many days, what? Give me the introductory paragraph. Speak out. I'm not even making you write, beta. I'm just telling you to speak.
Our school has organized a package to NASA.
Speak a little louder.
Ma'am, our school has organized and our school is planning to organize a package for the NASA for a month.
Oh, 1 month you'll stay at NASA. Very good. Continue. Not given the information, approximate how many children, how many teachers, because when you ask for a bulk discount, you need to at least tell them how many people are there who will be going. Give them a rough idea. How will they arrange for things? Because all the rates depend upon the number of people. At least give them an idea.
Around 100 people are going.
Hanji beta? Around?
Around 100 people are going.
So you need to tell them now how many students, how many teachers. Because
90 students and 10 teachers.
Because students will get discount now. Students will get discounts. So tell them that these number of students are there, these number of teachers are there. So tell them about all this so that they can arrange. Only these students will speak, huh? Nobody else is going to speak, it seems. Okay, next very soon plan a jungle safari. Hurry up. Plan a jungle safari. Now keep in mind that your requirements are now going to change. For international trip, the requirement was different. We talked about the visa and the passport and all those things. Now, when we talk about a jungle safari, again our requirements are going to change. Shall tell me the requirements of a jungle safari inquiry? Come on. What changes will come if you're talking about a jungle safari?
Ma'am, what measures they are taking to protect us from wild animals?
Excellent. One thing would be the safety measures. Very nice. Yes. Think what new points will be added. Don't give the old. Yes, in sightseeing. Don't give the old points. Think of some new things. Tell what?
Quality.
Quality of what, beta?
Ma'am, we can ask for food menu.
Yes, we should ask for food menu. For sure, we should
Ma'am,
ask.
to which reserve they will take us?
Yes, and think now if you had gone to Corbett, did we go to the national park in the same vehicle in which we went from here? Remember? Think that. Think about that and tell me.
Ma'am, what about the facility of first aid?
Yes, we can ask about the first aid measures. I have given you a clue. Tell me quickly. What is that clue I gave you? We did not go by the same vehicle to the jungle in which we traveled.
Ma'am, because that one is not familiar to the animals and they will attack us if they will see like whole covered car. That's why they take us on an open jeep.
Yes. So we'll have to ask them. Like, will you be arranging for the jeeps? And if at all, then how many seater jeeps are it? So you'll have to ask for all these details very nicely. This you have to
Ma'am,
ensure.
will there be a meal break between the safari or not?
Okay, some kind of refreshment snacks. We can ask for that between the safari. We can ask for safety measures to be taken during the safari. And what else can we think about for a safari? See, why I'm giving you this is requirements would differ for different kind of trips.
Ma'am, what all things we have to carry or we can carry while we are going on the trip?
That is also nice. Like generally, they don't allow us to carry many things when we are going into the jungle. So you can ask this, what all things can be carried? Good. Basically, I just wanted that our requirements that we are. Now tell me one thing. I have planned a visit to President House. You know, na, in India, we can go and see the President House from inside. Are you aware of this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, you
ma'am.
have to simply buy a ticket and you can go. Yes, dear. So now the school is going to take you for a trip to the President House. How would your requirements change? Always different situations, different requirements. Tell me what all could be different. Think we have a high
Ma'am, can
security
you
zone
please
where we
repeat?
can
Actually,
carry.
that is not stable.
We're talking about a high security zone area. So obviously the requirements are going to be different there, beta. Just think what all would be needed there. When you go to a high security area, they generally ask you for what? A permission letter?
My
Yes,
ID.
ma'am.
Very good. Your IDs as well. See, very nice. We got one more point. Very good. It did not strike me.
What
Did
are
it
the
strike?
things that we can carry in?
Acha, if you go to such a beautiful place, what would you feel like doing? Even if you go to a restaurant, you do that. Nowadays, it's become a trend. What is it?
Ma'am, clicking photographs.
Photos.
Yes, clicking
Taking
photos.
pictures.
But we don't know for safety reasons. Is it allowed? Is it not allowed? So don't you think it would be better? We ask them, mobiles are allowed or not, cameras are allowed. All this information can be furnished beforehand. Otherwise, you will carry.
Binoculars.
Yes, bache. You were saying something? Please say.
Binoculars.
Oh, yes, binoculars. Has anyone visited the President House? You have to just give a ticket and go. Have you been there? Any one of you?
Ma'am, we will ask how many people can enter at a time.
Okay. That's also a good thing. No doubt. Have you seen on the net? Anyone? Have you seen on the net? Visited the President House on net?
Ma'am, yesterday I passed from in front of it.
Okay, wow.
Ma'am, I'm in Delhi right now.
Acha, you are in Delhi, so you passed in front of it. I don't think these days they must be allowing also because of COVID.
No, ma'am, they are not allowing.
These days they'll not allow anyway because of COVID. Otherwise, we can always go and visit. Now you plan a trip. Tell where should we go? I have given you so many
Ma'am,
situations.
educational too.
Education tour, but somewhere to we need no destination. What will be the destination?
Museum.
Please plan your trip.
Ma'am, ISRO.
Oh wow, ISRO. Now here again we are going to have different kind of requirements. Very nice. Plan it out, children.
Ma'am, will they provide us the guide? We can ask.
Yes. Tell me what requirements? Yes. Come on. For ISRO. That is really interesting.
What all things we can see there?
Yes. What else do you expect to see there? First, tell me this.
Ma'am, the project of Chandrayaan and Mission Mangal also, the launcher which they have made.
Yes, satellite launcher, satellites.
Launching center.
What else do you expect?
Ma'am, we will ask them. Can we ask questions to the workers over there, like how they do all these things?
Hari, only two people's brain is going to work, others will not speak.
Ma'am, we will ask that do we have to carry our verification like Aadhaar card or any other ID also?
Yes, because you're right. There also we will expect a high security zone. Very nice.
Ma'am, we will ask if it is not confidential, can we take photos and videos and can we upload on social media and other
Oh my
websites?
God. I don't think they want to allow you, but why not? We can certainly ask this information. We are sending it to ISRO only. So internal information we'll take from them only. Good, bacha. Very good on your part. Others are all mute. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only one child. That's it. Can we start writing this? One of you, if you can write the first paragraph and post on the group, just the first paragraph for ISRO meet. All the mute students, if you're not able to speak or you don't want to speak, let's do one thing. Write the first paragraph and post. Those who are not speaking can write and post. Let me see if you post.